The BMW C400X Golden Age is a custom motorcycle kit created by Nmoto, a Florida-based manufacturer known for its Art Deco-inspired designs. This unique project pays homage to the 1936 Henderson Courtney Prototype, a masterpiece by Orly Ray Courtney, while incorporating modern technology and engineering. The Golden Age is based on the BMW C400X, a mid-sized urban scooter powered by a 350 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine that produces 34 to 35 horsepower. It can reach a top speed of approximately 87 miles per hour, making it an excellent choice for city commuting. Nmoto's design transforms the futuristic C400X into a streamlined pre-war aesthetic, complete with a low-slung profile and elegant curves reminiscent of the golden era of motoring. The body of the Golden Age is made from lightweight, rigid carbon fiber composite, reducing weight while maintaining durability. The kit consists of 7 to 9 pieces, depending on the version, and includes a distinctive kidney grille, front and rear subframes, new turn signal housings, an exhaust relocation system, and premium BMW Torx fasteners. The muffler is heat-shielded, with exhaust gases routed through a small grille at the lower rear fairing. Despite its vintage appearance, the Golden Age retains all the modern features of the C400X. It includes a 6.5-inch Bluetooth-enabled digital display, keyless ignition, ABS, automatic stability control, Brembo disc brakes, a heated seat, and an onboard computer. The scooter also offers ample storage space, capable of holding 2 helmets, with a central locking system integrated into the ignition. Nmoto collaborated with Ziller's Motorcycles, a Russian custom bike shop known for its championship-winning designs, to develop the Golden Age. The kit is available in 4 finishes: black, red, white, and teal. Buyers can choose between an unpainted carbon version for $9,990 or opt for additional customization, including single or two-tone paint, air suspension, custom upholstery, a chrome luggage rack, and LED underbody lighting. Nmoto plans to produce only 100 units of the Golden Age, available either as a complete motorcycle or a kit for self-assembly. While BMW discontinued the C400X in the United States, buyers can still find used models to fit the kit. The Golden Age is a striking blend of vintage styling and modern performance, offering a unique riding experience for enthusiasts of Art Deco design and classic motorcycling.